Hey everybody, real quick one, another real quick one. I'll be doing this all week. This time I got Storm. You got two choices, and she's made by CA3d Studios. No, I'm not advertising Elegoo resin. No one's ever sent me anything from Elegoo, but that I haven't paid for. But you got Storm behind here, and she has no clothes on. So that's the choices you get between the two sculpts, the head choice and the body choice. Obviously, this one has some leather on. The other one has no bottom and no half a top. I will put the nude one on my Patreon. So if you guys are a subscriber to my Patreon, I would like to go over there and subscribe to my Patreon at Sergeant Digital Design. You can see her on there. I just joined a new Facebook group. It's like an adult Facebook group, but I will also post her on there. But please check my stuff out on Patreon too. That's where I will be putting the stuff that can't go on YouTube, because YouTube does not play. They gave me a partial credit yesterday for Power Girl, which she's fully clothed. She just has big breasts. You see that all day on art and whatever. I mean, it's all kind of crazy stuff out there, but I'm getting flagged. I don't know if someone knows me at YouTube, but sorry if I pissed you off. But this is what I got, and stay tuned, because I'm getting ready to get back to painting since I'm not cutting any hair today. All right, peace out.